Yes. After we've dealt with the aftermath.
Or before my...
Busy.
And the after gets so that you won't be disappointed.
It's better to start from the one that will be. Everybody. I won't be disappointed, it's fine.
I told you.
When you say you told me?
That you'll be fine with anything.
Yeah, I'm fine with anything. It's funny because she has been pushing me to buy lunch bag. I refuse to buy lunch bag. How do you open the lunch bag though?
It's just 2 ways. One down, one up.
Maybe it's ice here or something. Nice, thank you very much.
Now you can go to school with food.
It means backpack.
Very heavy bicycle.
Eh?
Very heavy bicycle.
Wow, what is this?
I can't tell.
Could it be a bicycle?
Probably a Tesla.
Ooh, Tesla truck. What?
No,
Is
AC.
it
AC. AC.
Wow! Even though I can see the color, like I'm confused. What is this? Wow, what could it be? Oh wow, what could it be?
It's not a bicycle.
It's not a bicycle. It's
Oh
not
my.
AC. Oh my god. Oh, this is cute. Thank you.
Now you can put your lunch bag inside.
It will fit. It will fit. Thank you. So someone surprised me, like a couple, an older couple, came to give me this because I bet it's, I think the same day as mine or day after. I think it's the same day. But yeah. So let's say I haven't opened it. I waited till I got done work. So let's see. And she was like, I hope you use it. That she said she tried to give me something useful. So oh, this is cute. This is cute. The sweetest elder couple I know. He said, "Dear Owen, we wish you a happy birthday and all your wish, like a really nice birthday card. I'm going to keep it and treasure it." And yeah. So I think it's a customized card because it came with this to like protect the words. So that's a really cute card. I didn't want to open it in front of them. I wanted to like have the moment and then I'll text her tomorrow and say thank you, you know. But I gave them a hug and I was like, thank you so much. And let's see. This is a nice, cute bag. Oh. So it's a notepad with a cute pen and nice. Oh, this is a nice notepad. Because every time they, I think I know why they give me this. Because anytime I help them, I'm always like taking a big piece of paper and taking notes and trying to write out things that I want to explain to them. But yeah, this is cute and it has the little details in the notebook. This is really cute. These are like roses and that's cute. Well, that's a nice pen. That's a very nice one. I think they got it from Indigo. I'm back from vacation. My birthday was like a couple days ago, and today I'm going to be unboxing some of the presents I received. some of them were expected, some were obviously unexpected. I'm super grateful to everyone that actually got me gifts, got me presents. Always grateful that I'm loved, and people didn't have to, but they did. So without any further ado, let's unbox. Okay, so the first one is going to be this one. I got it from it's really special. I made a video already of me opening it up. I already know what it is, but I got this from a couple, and they're the sweetest couple. They're older and they're really sweet. And I think she's either my birthday mate or a day after my birthday, And she was like, she remembered I told her when we met that my birthday is the same day as, I think it's the same day. It's the same day as us. And yeah, so she remembered and decided to get me a birthday gift. So I really appreciate it. And yeah, so anyways, it says, "Dear Owen, we wish you a happy birthday and all your wishes to come true with respect." Then she put my husband's name. It was super sweet. I like it. And in case you're distracted by that box, I just unboxed my lighter I ordered from Amazon. I didn't do an unboxing video just because I have a lot of those. But if anybody wants to know the kind of lighter I use, if you like the way it is in the video, just leave a comment and I'm going to make a video of the lights, how much it costs, and all that on Amazon. Anyways, yeah, back to the present. So this is it. And then they gave me this, and she kept on saying, she was like, "Oh, Wayne, I tried to give you something that you actually use." And it's so funny because she gave me a notebook, and it comes with a pen and with utensils and all of that. And it's really sweet because I wasn't expecting it. So it's like really special to me. It's a notebook with like flowers or tulips, and yeah, you can see it. So it's really sweet. Like, I really appreciate the gesture. And I think because they know I take a lot of notes. So I'm old school like that. I take notes. Like if I have a pen and paper, I will take notes here and then maybe later transfer to my phone and all that. But yeah, that's it. So that's the first one. And the second one is from my parents. My amazing parents. They got me this, and well, I knew when they were going to buy it. I told my mom there, but she bought it for me because I wouldn't buy it for myself. And so ready. Yay! It's a white Coach purse, and the fun thing is, since she bought it, I haven't unboxed it. Like, I haven't removed it from the dust bag, but this is it. And yeah, it's a really cute purse, and it's like, it goes with my outfit, Hey girls, how you doing? But yeah, so it has a zipper at the back. Let's take off it has a zipper at the back. It has the Coach logo in front, and it's super cute. Like, this is what the inside looks like. It's a cute piece. I like it. Yeah, it's a cute piece. I like it. So the next one is this purse that my brother got me. My little brother. It's this is what it looks like. That's the back, and it's a nice color because I don't have this color. And as you can tell, like I love purses. I love purses. I love shoes. I love perfumes. Like, that's my go-to. I carry one purse all the time, but I have a lot of purses because I love them and I appreciate them when I'm giving them. And it's a cute purse. This is what it looks like inside. has a zipper. It's cute. Yeah. It's a cute color. And on a side note, I gifted myself this. Like, this was one of the gifts I bought for myself and my anklets. I've always wanted anklets for a while, and I got it for my birthday for my trip, and I love it. It's good. Okay, on to the next one. So the next one is for my baby namesake. We went on vacation together. Her birthday is a day before mine, and she got me 2 items. She got me, ta-da! Could you guess? It's a really super cute purse, and it says, "Carry yourself with confidence, wear your passion with pride, and keep moving forward." Like, it's a really cute purse. I think I have shoes that match, you know. It's super cute. I'm not a fan of pink, but I don't like, this is a cute pink I would carry, you know, because it's super cute. It's a small purse. Like, it's super cute. This is what it looks like inside. Obviously it has like the trash and then the long handle and all that, but that's the fabric inside. It's super cute. I like it. And then the next thing she got me is these. See, I love shoes. So I have shoes similar to this style, but not this color, I think. But yeah, this is so good. One day I'm gonna make a video of my collection of shoes and purses. One day. But yeah, she got me this, and so cute. It's like I don't know what style it is, but if you know, leave a comment in the. Oh, it's the Air Max. Well, if you know the time it came out or the style, just leave a comment. But yeah, it's super cute. Good for my next vacation. You know how it is. But it's super cute. I like it. It's a cute design. I like the color combo, like the white, the gray. Oh, is that blue? I think it's blue. Like light blue and gray, and then it's super cute. You ready? So this one might take longer because it's the gift I bought for myself. Apart from the vacation I went on, I decided to splurge and get myself some things. I haven't opened the box because I ordered it online and I'm excited. So let's get it. This right here. So oh, it's always quite everything. I always forget. So I think you can guess what it is, but that's it. Can you guess what it is already? Yay, surprise! I'm excited. So, this I got for myself. I haven't unboxed it obviously since I arrived yesterday, and I was gonna unbox it yesterday, but I was super tired because I went to work right after my flight. But look at this color, guys. Look. That's such a pretty color. Can you guess the brand? Can you guess? Can you guess? 1, drum roll, 2, 3. Michael Kors. So I decided to buy this for myself because 1, I don't have this color. 2, I decided to treat myself. I decided to treat myself. It's my birthday, so yay! Yeah, so it has like and it's so well packaged. Like it's I think it's veil leather. It has like the paper to like stop it from rubbing in shipments while it's being shipped. And it says a modern bag that effortlessly triples as a tote, a crossbody, and a clutch. That kind of gives you an idea. It's a 3-in-1 purse. 3-in-1. Come on. Yes. Your girl loves a good deal. But I can get 3 purses for the value of 1, then I'm saving money. Yes. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. Yes, this is the 3-in-1. This is so cute. This is so cute. Like the packaging, it has this thing that stops the magnet. Like this is so cute. And what I did was, because I got it during my birthday month, the points I get, so my course is a thing where when you buy something, you graduate into like a class, into a tier system, and then you get a birthday gift, you get an annual gift. I'm still waiting for my birthday gift, excuse me. I'm still waiting for my birthday gift. And yeah, so it tripled my points, pushed me over the next year into the 3rd tier. So I'm now in the runway, and yeah. So this is 3-in-1. It has, I don't know if I can say it. So it has this space in front. It has this. So I believe this will be the crossbody bag, and then it has the Michael Kors here. And then, yeah, that's the, I believe that's the crossbody. What does it say? No, I think that's the clutch. Anyways, you know. And then in the bigger purse, it has, like I said, this is gonna be a longer video because it's kind of like an unboxing. Oh, so it comes with like a paper bag in case it's a gift for someone. Oh, this is cute. Yes, so this is the clutch purse. And then the crossbody is inside. I'm just going to unwrap this. I usually don't like unwrapping my stuff until I'm ready to use it. But ever since I started this YouTube, I've had to just do it. Anyways, this wrapper. And this is the clutch. So it stays, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so here is where it stays. Yeah, I just took it off. Yeah. And that's it. So this is the crossbody. This is cute. So this is the crossbody. That is so cute. And I like crossbody bags because, yeah, that's so cute. And then you can use this for the crossbody. You can use this for the crossbody. And this is what the inside looks like. So it's a nice tote for like weekends and all that. I like it. I really like it. One of those things. I like it. Difficult to cut away from me. It's easier to cut towards me. But yeah. Okay, I need to pause the video and actually record. Because I'm not, I can't open it, guys. I really can't. Okay. Like, look at this. It's always good to do good things, do nice things for yourself. Like, look at that. So obviously I told them to make it a gift, but I didn't know it was going to come like this. I really didn't know. Okay, so I have to this is what it looks like. This is a cute box. Like, that's underneath, and this is like it's wrapped in a pretty way. Give me free my kowa. Like move back a bit, sorry. Yes. Okay, let's unbox it. I almost don't want to unbox it. I can either remove do this or like loosen it. But I think I'm just gonna try. Okay, try. Skin two. Okay, she's like, wait. Which one would be nicer? Skin two. Okay.
Just like
It's so cute. And then this is what they do. Okay. Okay. Ta-da! Even box on that you good. This is what it looks like. So I like their packaging. Like they're very protective of the bags, and it's really nice. Packaging, and are you ready? Yay! This is what it looks like. I showed you. Like, this is so cute. So, obviously, Michael Kors. And then it's also a 3-in-1 bag. I'm just going to how can I get it off? So just like the red one, 3-in-1. You need to put it in. Packaging again, extra paper, and then we also have this. So this is the crossbody bag inside, and it shows how you can wear it. So a tilt, a clutch, and a crossbody. And yeah, and the purse is, yeah, so this is the old purse. And then this goes inside. So yeah, this is the old purse. It's so cute. This is my purse. So it's my better gift to myself, and I like the fact that it was well packaged and all that. So that's it.